Hey guys, Nocturnal Emissary here again. I am back with another video. As you can see here, the Reaver is pretty much complete. All the wiring has been done, all the electronics have been installed. Here's your chassis with Golden Harvest V4 2-watt bass speaker and a removable 18650 battery. I'm running it with some JST connectors to the KR dual tactile switch. And here's the new blade holder that I had to redesign. I put in some windows there. If you can see them right there. You can see the blade through there. I printed it with the holes for the set screws for blade retention and the hilt side 1-inch PCB adapter. Same thing with the switch section. I reprinted it with 2 holes for set screws to hold the chassis in, one on either side. Here's your leather grip section with the pommel. Yes, the pommel's white, not black like it was in the last video. That's because I had to reprint it because the threads were too thin and they actually snapped. So I reprinted it with thicker threads. Did the same thing with the blade holder and with the switch section, just to keep everything nice and sturdy. I also increased the size of the speaker holes to let more of the audio through. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together and we can fire it up and make sure everything works and see how it sounds. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this. It's pretty simple, just like Ultra Sabers and Custom Saber Shop and Saber Forge. You just thread it together, as you can see, just like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna thread that in there, there. And as you can see, it works. I accidentally hit the switch there. Yeah, there it is. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the chassis here. I'm going to slide the connectors into the switch section, like so. And once it's in there, I'll actually just twist the chassis around a bit, just get those wires kind of situated properly. And then just push it in like so. And align it properly. I always line it up so that the back of the battery is butted up against the end of the thread. Just makes it easy to get the battery out. And I know that right here at this position is the sturdiest position. Once the set screws are, tightened up, then go ahead and tighten up these 2 set screws. Make sure that's straight. Alright, I'm going to tighten these up the rest of the way here. Couple more turns here and it should be good to go. Alright, and there she is, all installed. You can see the LED from the soundboard underneath. Yeah, it's nice and clean, permanent chassis, semi-permanent. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this pommel on here. We'll see what it sounds like with the pommel fully assembled. Of course, I haven't put the claws on yet because I still need to paint everything before the claws go on the emitter. But yeah, there she is. The Reaver. This is one of the sound fonts that came on the Golden Harvest before. Sounds like Jurassic Park to me. Sounds like Jurassic Park to me. I kind of like it. I like the sound font. Oh yeah, there's the windows. And that looks really good. I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with those windows. Very nice. Yeah. And there she is, the Reaver. So the next video I end up uploading will be paint. And after that, this lightsaber will be completely 100% finished. Super happy with how it's turning out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.